Hey, Siam here. So let's quickly chat about crypto because we're now in the weird doldrum sort of period where we're at the end of the worst bear market crypto's ever seen, and potentially at the beginning of the next bull market, which is going to see bigger capital inflows to crypto than crypto's ever seen. Very similar to how crypto peaked to $800 billion in the previous cycle, in just before 2018, and then by the end of 2021 we had a couple of trillion. And so the next cycle, which is going to most likely end at the end of 2024, early 2025, we should most likely hit the $5 to $10 trillion level. And what's that going to mean? It's going to mean pretty much most crypto which have survived, and ones that which will survive the regulatory anvil, are going to do pretty well. But we must not ignore that regulatory anvil. The SEC is suing everyone it can: Coinbase, Binance. We have BlackRock and Fidelity now piling in. We've got all sorts of Bitcoin spot and Ethereum spot ETFs all lined up to go. And when that green light is given, we're going to see trillions of institutional money flow in. So this is no longer going to be a retail driven market, in my opinion. It's going to be an institutionally driven market. So I know everyone's scared, and you've probably been scared out, or you've lost money in crypto in the past, but now is the time that you need to sharpen your sword, because there are things which crypto does all of the time without shadow of a doubt. So for example, crypto, when we at the beginning of a bull market, Bitcoin always outpaces everything. Bitcoin is the one that just outpaces even the shittest altcoin. And then what happens is the blue chip cryptos start putting the running shoes on, then alts in general, then whatever the weird bullshit narrative may be, it'll be some form of DeFi, NFT, AI, crypto bullshit, and then that'll last, and then by then it will be the end of the bull market. So we've got these 4-year cycles. It goes up for a year and a bit, down for a year and a bit, sideways, choppy for a year and a bit. So yeah, I'm personally expecting the end of 2025 to be the top of the bull. So I think now, if you've been waiting to join the realistic trader community, now's a really good time, because I've been in cash since 2021. I predicted the 2022 crash. Been in cash for over a year now. However, I'm about 80% invested now, so 80% of my pot is now in, and there are certain little tweaks that I think, certain things that I'm going to be doing, which I think will do pretty well over the next couple of years. So what I'm doing is I've teamed up with Geordie. So Geordie is a lovely guy. He's from up north, so he sounds funny. And he's been a realistic trader student for about 5 or 6 years now. And what he's going to do is basically, he's happy to sit down and have a Zoom chat with you, and you can ask him anything. So ask him anything you want. So all you need to do is just click one of the buttons somewhere around here, book in a one-to-one Zoom with Geordie, and then literally ask any question you want. And I genuinely hope to see you in the community, because I'm placing lots of trades at the moment, and yeah, now is the time to really gear yourself up for what I think probably the beginning of 2024 to be the real explosive start for the bull market. So yeah, anyway, hope that helps. I'll hopefully see you soon.